Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use the Fibrows golden ratio compass to draw eyebrows. In previous video I have shown you how to draw the eyebrow on paper, okay? And in this video I will show you how to use a golden compass. So here's a golden compass, okay? Total 4 arms, okay? And as you can see, this one here is mark number 1, and this one here it will mark number 2. You see 2 right here, so you have 1 right here, 2, and then this arm right here is marked 3. You see 3 right there, and this one here is removable. Yeah, you can take it off. You can take it off. Okay, and take it out like that. You see, there are 2 little holes right there that can put it in, and you can take it out. Okay, so total 4 arms. Okay, here I have the left brows and I have the right brow for the client. So let's say we want to do the left brow first, and suppose that the length of the brow is this long. Okay, we just say okay, the length of the brow is that long. So first we start measuring the brows. Let's say the brows of the client start from here and it ends up right there, right? So for number 1, we mark number 1 right there. It's mark number 1. That's point 1. Okay, point 1. And then we put number 1 right there, pointing at 1, and then number 3 point right there, so I will mark number 3 right here. Okay, so now again I put 1 and 3 right there, and then you see the arm number 2 go up 1.5 box right there, go straight up right here, 1.5 box. Okay, so that's our number 2. So as you can see right here, I put 1 and 3, and then that's 1 pointing up for 2 right there. Okay, so now I flip the compass and I still put 1 right there and 3 right there. Okay, so now arm number 2 pointing right here, so I go down half a box, and that's our number 5. Okay, and to get point number 6, I put 1, 2 and 3 right here. You see 2 and 3, 2 and 3 right there. Okay, and I need to put on this removable arm. Okay, in the removable arm like that. Okay, so I put upon the 2 at 2 and 3 at 3 right there, and then the middle arm right here, that would be my number 6 right there. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and point number 4 just right beneath it. What's right beneath 1 and about 1.5 box. Okay, yeah, I'm sorry I do everything by myself here, so it's kind of hard to show you guys, but I try. Okay, so now we connect 1 and 4 together. Okay, so from 1 to 2, I just connect it almost curved down or straight. Okay, just straight or almost curves down like that. 2 to 3 just have to curve out. Okay, and everyone see. Okay, 4 to 5, I connect like this. And then go all the way up to 6, and then going down. Okay, okay, just like that. Okay, now I will measure the other side. Okay, for the other side, remember this is the client left brow, right? So we do 1 and 3 like that, right? So 1 and 3. Okay, 1, point a thing at 1 and 3. So when we go to this right brow here, we have to flip the compass like that. Okay, so now I have my number 1 right there, number 1 right here. It's my number 1. and my number 3 is right there. Okay, remember on the left round we do like this. As you can see, number 1 and 2 are farther apart than 2 and 3, right? And then when we go to this side, we have to flip the compass like that. So now we got 1 and 3. Okay, 1 and 3 right there. And then this one here, that's our number 2. Go up 1.5 box right there. That's our number 2. Okay. So now I have 1, 2, 3 for the right brow, and I flip the compass again, pointing at 1 and 3. Okay. And now I have to go down from here. I have to go down half a box, and that's my point number 5. Okay. That's my point number 5. I'll check again. 1, 2, 3, and then go down half a box, and that's my number 5 right here. Okay. Okay. And for number 6, I need to put on the removable arm right here. You see that we put on the removable arm real quick here. Okay. So for point number 6, I'm pointing at 2 and 3 here, and then the middle arm would show me where number 6 would be. Okay, that's my point 6 right there. And number 4, it's just 1.5 box. We need 1. Okay, so basically over here we have 1 and 3 over here. When we go here, we flip it. Yeah, we flip it, so we have 1 and 3 and 2, and then we also do point to 2 and 3 to get number 6 right there. Okay, and then we also get number 5 right here, right? Now we connect them. 2 to 3. Okay. 2 to 1 should be straight or curved out a little bit. 4 here, curve out a little bit. Okay, so this is how you draw on paper. Okay. Okay, I hope that helps. Thank you.